How to log out Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log out of Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out of Amazon, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Amazon shopping application here, and you can currently see that I'm basically logged into my account. And now let's say that I want to log out for some reason. It's very simple. From the bottom you'll find the three lines option from the bottom right, so make sure to tap the three lines option there, and from there on again just scroll down a bit further below, and again when you look here you'll find an option that says settings, so tap the settings option, scroll a bit further below and you'll find sign out option here, so tap on sign out. It will ask you for a confirmation here like this, so just tap the sign out option again and then you'll be successfully logged out of Amazon. This way you can log out Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.